Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Telegram channel, and this is actually very simple. At first, you need to head over to Telegram, just like so. If you're on iPhone, then you'll see a plus icon on your screen, and if you're on Android like me, you'll see a pencil icon at the bottom. So click on the pencil icon. From there, you see this option that says New Channel at the top, third option. Click on New Channel and then click on Create Channel. Channel name, let's say Subscribe. Description, hey, like this video. And then you could also put an emoji if you want. Then click on Tick. Do you want this to be a public channel or a private channel? So let's say we want it to be a public channel. So if you want to set a link, let's say subscribe 6542. Oh, it's available. And then click on this. You could also directly add people right over here, or just go, this is the channel, and from there you could just send this to anyone you want by clicking on copy link. But your channel has been created, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.